Hello people, so right now I'm at Old Anwai Road behind Favorite Restaurant. As you can see, this is a third road and we are in a very developed environment. People are already living here. This is like an estate. We have 1 acre that just came out in this location. 1 acre of land. You can use it for residential, you can use it for commercial purposes, you can build hotel, you can build bar, anything at all you want to build, you can actually erect it here. So so it's selling for 500 million naira for the whole 1 acre of land. This is a cash price, and looking around you, you can see that this is a place where you can literally build anything you want. This 500 million naira is actually a distress sale. Send me a DM so you can come and see for yourself. This area is 33 line. Security is guaranteed, and this is a core area here in Asaba. You don't want to miss out on this offer. All right, so I'll be expecting your message. Okay.